Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is the weekly market forecast for the week of May 26, 2020. If you have been following me in my YouTube channel, every day I just look at the chart to analyze and give you a short-term price direction for my members in our live trading room to make some extra daily income and long-term direction for swing trade with a bigger profit potential. Every day, if you look at on the CNBC or on the news, you keep hearing all the bad news. That's why you scare. But since the market it will do whatever it wants to do, and it had nothing to do with the economic news out there. As a trader, we just focus on the chart. Whatever the price on the chart will tell you everything. The market is in uptrend. We will stay in the uptrend until it reverse to the downtrend, and then we will short the market. If you learn how to understand and read the price chart and use modern technical analysis to understand the crowd psychology as well as the human emotion, you will be understand the market clearly compared to whom out there don't know and yet rely on the bad news or someone else to manage their own money or try to gamble by themselves. The market now is more volatile than before. This is the right time for you to wake up and learning. This is the only survival skill that you should have so you can manage your own financial future, like your 401k and IRA account, so that you can have something to support your family when you are no longer working. Right now, look at the market. We call out the bottom on the March 23rd, and every day it continued to go higher with stronger momentum. So many people try to short the market. They jump in too early with the market here. They say that we will lower. When they up here, they say the market will lower. Here. Up here, they say the market will lower. But the market it doesn't care. As long as the check is still an uptrend, we still stay in the uptrend until they hit to the reverse. So right now, look at the left side. This is the SPY. It will continue to go higher to test the 300 level. And on the right side, that the EBD SP 500 future, they still continue to hit to the 3,000 mark. So as long as the check until bullet, we stick with the bull side. And if you look at the Dow, it still continue to the upside. The NQ, it still continue to go to the upside. The Russell 2000, it continue to go to the upside. The goal is to try to hold up at this level and try to bow back from the support level here. And the oil it still gains some momentum to finish the final move in the upside. And the euro, they also try to find a way to go up. So the bond it still goes sideways between this parallel channel here. So let's see where they're heading to. And the Bitcoin is still try after they finish, they hit to the sell zone. Now they're still in the correction on the downside. So if you follow me on the last week market forecast, I give you a couple of stocks like Adobe. If you can see here, Adobe last week on the previous week, I told you this is the play. The stock will head up, so they head up, and a lot of stock is like Disney. Okay, it's still doing well. They are from here, and now they shoot back up here and then they continue to go higher. And a lot of talk from the medical supply. Last week they pulled back at the very good support. So like this one here, CARP, they shoot up, they pull back down to the support, they hold up there and try to find a goal to go higher. And this one here, another one at medical supply, after they come back down and then they pull back up and then they hold it up. And now if they break out, that will be continue to go higher. And one interesting sector that have been rebound from the bottom, that they Kanobi. If you can look at this sector, it have been bottom out, and then they gain some momentum and continue to get to the top. So this week, that those sector that you should focus on, and then hopefully you can make some money. All right, so today is Memorial Day, so happy Memorial Day to uh, all of you. And this week will be a short week, and during the week we will update more to inform you where the market heading to. If you like what I'm doing here for you every week, please give me a thumb up and sign up to our YouTube. So every time I have a new update, I will let you know so that you can take a look. And if you would like to learn more about our strategy, our method of how to trade, how to understand, how to read the chart, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, so thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.